Good morning.
Good morning.
It's Wednesday, December 3rd.
Yes.
They picked up our Nexxtleft project yesterday,
They did.
and you have still been pushing.
Been trying.
Forward. I'm proud
I don't
of
feel
you.
like I've been making, never feel like I'm making enough progress ever. So that's just how it is.
That's our personalities.
I
We
guess
can't.
so. Guess so.
I'm calm.
I'm calm.
Never. Never. Okay. Show me what you've been.
All right. Well, let's see. It is all just the front end. Oh, I still have tools in here.
Hey, but I'm seeing progress over here.
Yeah. So as before, got all this dried in. Still would like to put one more cap underneath. Got a few access for LP gas to go down to supply for the main. But the biggest thing that I did or that got accomplished was getting the emergency brake release installed, wired in to the system, and then the layout for the battery.
Nice.
Switch over for this is for whenever it's hooked up to the truck, so it'll do a trickle charge back to the battery.
Yay.
And then you can switch it over to run the rest of the system. The battery's not hooked up yet, but at least it's in place. The carriers tray is there, have a little strap that straps it in. Got our nice,
From our hoard, the strap.
Yeah. Got our nice lithium battery.
The new one.
The new one. And then, that's the I forget what it's called now. It's too early in the morning. The fuse block brake for it linking up between the truck and the rest of the system.
Fantastic.
So at least this is getting squared away. I'll still have wiring to get done for the rest, which I'm going to start today. I'm going to start putting in the rest of the wiring.
Woo-woo.
The power control center.
Yay.
Recut the hole for the shore power, and then we'll be able to do shore power. And
We'll be on the road by Christmas. I didn't say which year.
Yeah. So that's kind of it.
This is all big stuff, though. It
This
may
is pretty
visually not look like big stuff because, it's in a small area,
Yeah.
but it's the main
No, it's-
guts,
Yeah, and I think we already covered the LP tanks,
right?
resting place for those, and the spare tire, which is there, but we've got all that. So most of this is kind of
Getting there.
almost squared away.
And that's great because after this, then we can, you've got to do the wiring and the plumbing before we can finish up the interior. So that's what you're doing. I mean, I think these are big moves.
I think they
really
are
do.
too. So we're moving on to electric, buttoning up the plumbing for water, and then plumbing for the gas. And then the whole undercarriage and some of the rail seals around to finish that up. This here to finish that up, and
We're getting close.
We're getting close.
We're getting close.
It's all the main utilities, but hopefully those will go pretty quick.
Which means two anxious individuals like us are
Yeah.
getting close, and so we're really, really nervous about it. Always an adventure.
Always.
That's it for this Lake Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners, cake decorating. I even cook with my dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, check out the Lake Calamita playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.